Today we're talking about selecting the right documents to compile in Scrivener 3 for Windows. In general, the documents you put in your binder will be automatically selected in compile, but there might be extras you want to add, such as front matter or back matter items, or you might not want to include everything in a draft compile, for example. Over on the right of the screen, the first icon gives you a list of everything in compile. This will usually have manuscripts selected in the pull-down menu, but it might say something different if you're using a specialist template. Everything that has a tick by it will be included. You can deselect as required. Alternatively, if you have a long manuscript, you can use the pull-down menu to just select a section of your manuscript. There is also a filter option. Down the bottom of the screen you have front matter and back matter. Front matter is automatically defined in your binder, depending on which format you chose to compile and which output. This can be locked. Back matter you will have to choose for yourself. And that will be our topic for next time: front matter and back matter, and how it relates to compile.